And of course, what did I say from my video I just uploaded 10 minutes ago? What did I say? Oh man, this has to be trolling me, man. And I was supposed to save that video for tomorrow because HPG was gonna update. Give ultimate. Oh, who's this? Oh, no. Okay, lamb lettuce. Rush down, okay. I don't know if this has a kill. Let me see, does it have... No, it doesn't. Okay, but disguise dismay. The damage scales on player hit, so 5 max. Does the more players you hit, like, does the more damage it? Yes. Okay, more players you get, the more damage you do. But I wouldn't really. This is only good for like crowd control. Okay, got him like 10%. How about? Would this kill any one of them? Yeah. Okay. Does a lot. Oh shoot, Batman, let's go!
What was that?
And then iframes.
Are you kidding me?
I told you I have iframes.
Okay, done. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Right back. You're down. Down you go.
Don't make
Goodbye.
Don't make me play Untitled 7.
Take it down. Good aim, good aim. Oh, okay, you're gonna turn cooldowns off, little rat.
Yo, infinite ult is on. Oh, it was only selected to me. Oh.
We got the smartest guy. What happened to me? What happened? Why are we ghosts? Yo, stop, Smoke.
Gone from the shadows.
Yo, help me. I have no moves.
Don't worry.
Bro has no boost.
Boobs, bro. I said boobs.
No, I didn't.
Help me, bro.
You for lying.
You lying.
The lion.
I'm Give me ult, Smoke Beast. What hit that? Get him.
Word. Look at your HP.
This is where I don't play. You're not.
Damn.
Tori, are you in a private server?
No.
Why are you in pubs?
Forgot to say this. Make sure to like and subscribe.
What are you doing over there, Tori?
We.
Don't worry about it.
Oh.
What are you spamming water on?
Oh, got him.
Coconut, potato.
Oh, you think that's gonna hit me, but nope. But it actually didn't hit me, and then.
What am I talking about? I'm talking about Smock Beast.
Smock Beast.
Oh!
It's big man
Stand there
over here,
and
loaded.
Simon says block.
Good
Good boy! Good boy!
Yeah, what is that?
And then you're gonna visit. Oh.
Damage control.
Oh, fight back, fight back, fight back, fight back. Fight back, fight back, fight back, fight back.
Oh, God,
Yeah, that sounds accurate.
Fight back, fight back.
My voice, my voice, bad voice, bad voice.
Or try not to sell your good stuff before Blood Moon if it happens. 'Cause if there's the Celestial
The cat
9
face
minutes.
looks like Uni the cat. Uni, you're about to say something with you.
Uni the cat?
Damn! Predicted, Uni!
Beans?
Cacti.
I need you, I need you. Come on,
Put
get
on
him!
the
Uni!
yeah,
Uni!
Put in your cacti. There's
Come
more
on.
cacti.
Uni! I'll get in place.
Right there.
I'll get him in place. Yo,
Oh, their range is massive.
use it, use it,
Yeah.
use it! Yeah! Zach, you're doing all this, but you still won't win Marvel Rivals. Where have been two?
But Marvel Rivals is so buns, bro.
You have 10,000 hours on Overwatch!
Come on, redirect one more lightning.
Bro. Position.
Come on, one more.
How
one
long
more.
does it shop? How long does it shop? How long
Oh,
does
I'm
it shop?
Batman.
Oh, it just refreshed.
Okay. One lightning.
Is it-
Race
Yeah.
it. Oh, wait, oh.
Come on,
About to
check
use
my
a rock, you're
mushrooms.
about to use a rocks. Ooh, yeah.
The global. How do you have 900 million, bro?
Zach,
I'm goaded.
are you sure you want to do this? Are
Got
you
it?
sure?
Oh my god.
Shoot. Is that all my mushrooms favorited? Should be.
Oh my god.
I hate how you can't move the mushrooms. It's so annoying.
Ooh.
Yeah.
But I have rainbow shocked grapes now.
They have shocked bananas.
Oh, I do. I wonder how much this is gonna sell for.
Ooh. My turn,
Let's see.
Why is it always me?
It's about to be,
Oh, you
night.
could chain it like that. Oh,
Minutes.
thank you, Zach, for giving me that
Yeah.
information.
I have a star color down already.
Bro, this game is so dumb, bro. If you spam the watering can, it like triples the amount of time that it like
500k.
yeah, it's
I
like,
have a bad mood.
ABD, you should.
Is it just...
So I got some scratch. Yeah, if one single star hits this grape, it's over for the economy.
oh, from the half line. Wait, hold on. Okay.
It's a,
How do you land that?
No,
How do
if
you
a
land the bell?
single lightning or thunderbolt, lightning, whatever,
Yo. Oh, is this that Shido? Oh my god, is this the Big Bang drag thing?
Cedo, like the weapon from
Wait,
Warfare.
hold on. Wait, hold on.
That boy saying mid-frame arc
There's
is
no way this
better.
works.
Arc is
There's no way
awful,
this
bro.
Best optimized game ever, man.
No one's ever said hop on Arc before.
Yes, I did. GG.
You are the only person to say that.
Huh? Yo, there's no way you can do this again.
I lived this, you know that, right?
Yo, there's no way.
Yeah, because you're too weak to do it. Once
Is that unblockable?
you're too weak to do it. And see?
So is that unblockable?
See
it's
how
probably
you're
like-
chasing me?
I mean, unless like you really
See,
like.
but you
practice
won't
it.
expect this. Ooh,
Yeah.
boom. Or dang.
Yo, they're
Why
hitting
you
right
figure
next
all
to
of
me. This is
Easy?
not cool.
That's what I'm using now.
Or wait for the frozen.
And that combo on that boy Uni,
True,
gave
true.
me-
That times 10 will
Okay.
help a lot. How to get like
Who won
nothing
this
else though?
ferocious battle?
Oh, it's rainbow mango. Let me get that. Where's
Yeah.
my- give me my rainbow mango.
Boy Uni hitting the combo on that boy.
Oh wait, I think it's favorited.
Oh,
That
if
boy
you jump down
looked
towards
tough
to
to
me.
hit.
Come on.
Why does Johnny have so many
Where?
stock, bro? Where else?
Oh, I left the game. Hold on, I'm gonna leave them. Cause I need lightning rods.
BAM!
Oh,
Dang!
Let celestial thing here.
Really? Oh, that's Moonlit.
Oh, there's a lightning
Okay.
rod in the trap.
I'm waiting
Yeah,
for
I
you to
just-
I just said I'm back.
Okay, that's celestial mushrooms at.
Oh, that boy kept about to be enraged. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see.
Uni, what was that?
Oh yeah.
Don't do it,
Yep.
bro.
Dang,
Addicted.
useless. Dang. That boy Uni
Yep,
weak.
now you can't get it because
no.
you walked away. Stand.
Do not hit me again, you will die.
Can this golden lab dig up like a
smart? You need that smart. You need that smart. That is smart.
I need me.
Yeah, that's just how fast I am. You didn't see me.
Oh!
GG!
GG! That's how you sound, by the way.
GG! GG!
Come
on.
Yeah. I want the grapes.
I got the whip dude, huh?
That boy's stuck in
Oh.
time.
No. It's
They're so lucky they reduced the hitbox.
That boy got baited. That boy got baited. That boy baited.
Yo,
I told you, I don't need 483 to kill you.
I'm lagging.
Oh, you even see that? Holy shit! Oh shit!
I'm literally
You're stuck in the
frozen.
ground! You're stuck in the ground!
What is this?
Yo, you're stuck in the ground!
What is this happening to me?
Hey, BD, you're about to come back and see yourself finished.
Mole is called Mitt.